Living in a coastal environment like Kendall comes with beautiful views, warm weather, and ocean breezes, but it also means your home must be prepared to handle humidity, salt air, and severe weather. Hurricane windows are a valuable investment for protecting your home, but like any feature exposed to the elements, they require proper maintenance to perform at their best year after year. Keeping your hurricane windows in top condition doesn't have to be complicated. With regular care and attention, you can extend their lifespan, maintain their appearance, and ensure they continue to provide the protection your home needs. One of the most important aspects of maintaining hurricane windows in Kendall is regular cleaning. Salt air can leave behind residue on glass and frames, which, over time, can lead to buildup and even corrosion if not addressed. Cleaning your windows with a mild soap and water solution helps remove salt, dirt, and debris. For best results, rinse thoroughly and dry with a soft cloth to prevent streaking and residue. Pay special attention to the frames as well. Materials like aluminum, vinyl, or fiberglass are designed to withstand coastal conditions, but they still benefit from routine cleaning. Removing grime and salt deposits helps preserve their finish and prevents long-term wear. Inspecting your windows regularly is another key step. Look for signs of damage such as cracks in the glass, worn seals, or loose components. Hurricane windows are built with laminated glass that is designed to stay intact even when impacted, but any visible damage should be addressed promptly to maintain their protective capabilities. Seals and weather stripping are especially important in a coastal climate. These components help keep out moisture and maintain energy efficiency. Over time, exposure to heat, humidity, and salt air can cause them to wear down. If you notice gaps, drafts, or moisture around your windows, it may be time to replace these materials to ensure a tight, secure seal. Hardware maintenance is another often overlooked area. Hinges, locks, and other moving parts should be checked periodically to ensure they are functioning smoothly. In Kendall's humid environment, metal components can be more susceptible to corrosion. Applying a light lubricant to hinges and locks can help prevent rust and keep everything operating properly. It's also important to keep the window tracks and drainage systems clear. Debris such as dust, leaves, or sand can accumulate over time, especially in coastal areas. Clearing these areas ensures proper drainage and prevents water from pooling around the window frame, which could lead to damage. Another consideration is protecting your windows from impact-related wear outside of storms. While hurricane windows are designed to withstand severe conditions, avoiding unnecessary stress, such as slamming windows or placing heavy objects against them, can help maintain their integrity over time. Professional inspections can also be beneficial. Having an expert assess your hurricane windows periodically ensures that any hidden issues are identified early. They can check for structural integrity, proper sealing, and overall performance, giving you confidence that your windows are ready for storm season. In addition to protection, well-maintained hurricane windows continue to provide energy efficiency benefits. Their insulated design helps regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home cooler during Kendall's hot months. By ensuring seals and glass remain in good condition, you can maintain these efficiency advantages and potentially reduce energy costs. Maintaining the appearance of your windows is another benefit of regular care. Clean, well-kept windows enhance your home's overall look, allowing you to enjoy clear views and natural light without obstruction. This contributes to both curb appeal and everyday enjoyment of your space. Ultimately, maintaining hurricane windows is about protecting your investment and ensuring your home stays safe and comfortable. With simple, consistent care, you can extend the life of your windows and keep them performing as intended. For homeowners in Kendall, taking the time to maintain hurricane windows means being prepared for whatever the coastal climate brings, while continuing to enjoy the beauty, security, and efficiency they provide year-round.